In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols in WPS Office. Adding symbols to your documents can make them look more professional, precise, and visually appealing. Whether you need currency signs, mathematical symbols, or Greek letters, WPS Office makes it simple. Today, I'll show you an easy method to insert symbols so you can do it quickly and efficiently. To start, open your WPS Office document and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. There, click on the Symbols option. A drop-down menu will appear showing some recently or frequently used symbols, such as the $sign, pound sign, or comparison symbols like greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. You can insert any of these directly by simply clicking on the symbol you want, and it will appear in your document. If the symbol you need isn't listed in the Quick options, click on More Symbols to access the full collection. Here, symbols are organized into different subsets. For example, the basic Latin subset contains common symbols like the $sign, percentage sign, and standard mathematical operators. The Latin supplement subset has additional symbols such as the pound sign and send symbol. For Greek letters, switch to the basic Greek subset, where you'll find alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and more. Once you locate the symbol you need, simply double-click it to insert it into your document. This method makes it easy to explore and insert a wide variety of symbols depending on your needs. Take your time to explore the different subsets and categories so you can quickly access the symbols you frequently use. Doing this will save you time and make your workflow smoother. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.